Hello and welcome back to this tutorial where we are going to speak about what next now that you've done all the tutorial videos and you're able to construct some Bootstrap elements for a beginner level. Now to advance your skill, you can always go to the Bootstrap documentation. Just go to Google and Google Bootstrap 5 documentation. I'm using version 5.3, but it doesn't really matter. We can even go to that one for now. It covers all the different types of elements that Bootstrap has. We've just passed through some components and forms. I picked some elements from here. Forms, we learned about forms. We learned about range. We learned about checks and radius. No, we didn't learn about radius. Now you can actually dive deeper into that. The reason why I brought you to this documentation is for you to know where to get the documentation and actually play around with all these items that are offered here, like content, like typography. In case they add something, you can always come here and just check it out. I believe we've passed through most of them, but in case there's none, you can always come. Like we did pass through the block quote footer. You can always take that one and take it to your code. You know how to create now a boiler template by yourself. We created the HTML template in the beginning, and now you're able to actually know how to construct all these items. Okay, so this is your home now. You can always pass through all these items step by step and just practice with all of them. They're nice items to learn about. We passed through navs, but we didn't pass through nav tabs. As an example, you can see it's shown here. You can put them also in your navigation items. If it's left, if you want your navigation, how they created this navigation item, you see it's vertical like this and combined with drop downs. You can have pills which look like this. You can justify them, etc, etc. You can just pass through this. You can use also the off canvas option and many more other elements. You can pass through the helpers, and the Bootstrap team also keeps updating this type of documentation, and you can grow your skill to become an expert level. After that, we are going to also have YouTube tutorials, an advanced YouTube tutorial on our channel, and the way to do it is I'm going to give you a hint. So here on the playlist, we are going to add more of these Bootstrap tutorials. At the moment, we are going to also upload all these series to become a playlist here. Okay, so that's how we are going to progress to become advanced Bootstrap 5 users or Bootstrap users, because the versions will always change. I started when it was Bootstrap 2, now it's in Bootstrap 5, but this is going to be your home. Expand your skills from here, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is X University. It's youtube.com/@x_university, and then you'll find our channel. Remember to click the subscribe button. We're now at 81 subscribers, but we'll still keep growing. See you in other tutorial series, and thanks for watching this one. Bye bye.